Hello friends. So in today's video we'll discuss about a strategy which can be used for swing trading. It gives you very few entry points during the year, and it is for the people who are more interested in doing swing trading. On lower time frames it can be applied on even on 1 day, 1 week, or 1 hour also. But I mean, I get a lot of requests for the people who are in job, and now the work from home concept going away, fading away. People have to join offices. So in this manner, this strategy will be very helpful. Once in a you have to just note down the levels. When the levels get triggered, you have to initiate your trading positions. So what is this strategy? So Gann used to focus a lot on opening prices, right? So an opening price can be of a month, it can be of a year, it can be of a day, it can be of a week. As the time frame goes higher, the signals will be less and the targets will be huge. As the time frame goes lower, the signals will become more, and it's up to you what kind of trades you want to do. So what he used to tell was, so basically, opening price of any instrument is considered as a critical data point. It represents the first transaction executed at the start of a trading session and reflects the market initial sentiment. Traders analyze these price to identify potential support and resistance and anticipate the future movement. So what you have to do is now, as the new year has just started, right? So we are focusing on the year open price, right? So just to give an example, let me just, this is Bank Nifty chart. I'll go to an yearly chart. So last year, this year's open is 48203. This program automatically identifies it. Last year open was 43038. Let's see what was the price action at 43038. As you can see here, these levels are valid from 1st January only. So 4th January it broke this level. You wait for the price to close above or below this level. So it first closed above this level. Let me just expand this chart to see more clearly. Uh, yeah, so we want the candle to close above this level on, this is 30, this is second. So here we got the opening price first. 1 minute. Sorry. So as you can see here, 2nd January, the market opened and the opening price was 43038. You can mark these prices and add a 0.5% plus and minus to that price. You get your buy and sell levels. Above this, you have to buy, not at opening price, like add 0.3. So like this is 43038, 0. Around 200 points. So around 43500 you have to buy, and around 43100 you have to sell. So it becomes easy for you to manage. So let me just put these values. So 43, you need to add some kind of filters. That is very important. If you don't add that filter, the whipsaws will increase to a larger extent. And 43 100, 43, yeah, so 43 100. So these are our buy and sell levels. So it didn't trigger the buy level, it triggered the sell level here, it again triggered the sell level here. And see, look at the, so this candle has broken this value. Look at the size of this candle. It is like 43,417, 43,578 to 42,865, around 700 points. So 700 points should be our initial target, right? Again it is this value here, from again you get 700, 1400 points, you get these bigger targets. Then you got a buy trade here which got stopped out. Then you got a buy trade again here. It continue holding, and from there the market was just up. I mean, last year was pure trending, but again you got multiple moves. See here, again you got a short trade, you got your moves, and again you got a long trade here. It can be applied on any stock like Adani. Let's take Adani as an example. I'll go here and let's open Adani's chart. So the opening price, see here, you can see open and high was also same. Open high is always bearish. Even if you see SPX chart, S&P 500 chart, let's go to a 12-month chart. This year also open and high same in SPX. You can see here 4745, 4754, right? And last year opening price was 3853. I think I have drawn this line 3853. See here, it made a perfect bottom here around 14th of March, and from there the big rally came in. So it gives you less entry. So we were talking about Adani. So Adani, the open was 3870. So let's go and check what happened at 3870 before this big crash came in. Again, you can add 0.5%. So 3870 is like 4,000. So like 20 rupees, 3870, or 20 points. See here, this fall started from this point only. First it went above it. It was above it. Once it broke this 3870 multiple times, and from there, before this big crash, I mean, if you are following this strategy, you are in short trade, and then you have to just trail. You can even use a 9 EMA or 8 EMA for trailing your positions. 9 EMA is more preferable. Let me quickly draw that also. Averages, EMA, overlay. Let's make it 9 EMA. See here, it breached 9 EMA somewhere here. So they somewhere here you have to book out, but still it was a big trade. Let's take some other stock. We'll take, let's suppose, Coal India. I mean, any stock. So, this is very important. Coal India. The opening price for Coal India was 226. So let's again draw a line at 226 and see what is happening there. 226. See here how beautifully it is holding this 226 line, and from there the big move came. So this can be used a very good strategy for investments also. And if you're holding a shares from cash market, just note down the open price. Once they're below it, try to exit it. So once you went long about 226, then this 9 EMA or 10 EMA becomes your trailing stop loss. Let 2 or 3 candles close below it, then so you'll get an exit somewhere here, right? So then again you can use various strategies like a quarterly, monthly time frame. But yes, this is a very, very helpful strategy, and keep an eye on this level. So these are the levels: opening price, what is your buy above level, sell below level. I have marked down anything. You can pause the video and note down these levels. And also I'll create a blog post on my website, Ramesh Tech Analysis. So there you can look at these yearly levels. So this is a very, very easy and important strategy which you can apply on your instrument of your choice. So let's take Nifty. Nifty, if I go to daily chart, the yearly open is like 21,727. So 21,862 is my buy. So as of now, Nifty on this day has made a high of 834. So buy is not triggered, and 21,593 is my sell level. So let's see whether 593 came or not. 21,593. So it came here, and already it has done one whipsaw. So let's see what is in the scope of the market. But keep an eye on these two levels and let's see how it performs. So you can even apply this strategy on quarterly, monthly level. So probably I'll try to post those levels also. But as of now, let's focus on this yearly level and use this strategy, backtest it. You'll find some very beautiful trades on based on this. This is for the people who are into swing trading, who cannot give lot of time to the market to capture each and every move. But like the saying goes, lesser the trade, lesser is your brokerage and better are your returns. So this is a very helpful strategy. I use it very frequently, and it gives some, wonderful trades to us. So yeah, that's about it. Thank you very much for watching. And it can be applied on any instrument like gold, crude. I've just shown you example of SPX also. Any instrument of your choice, you can use it, backtest it. I've given an example of SPX also. So yeah, that's about it. Thank you very much for watching. Stay disciplined.